sure you do have to take the liner out from the trunk.
Shut up. I'm gonna figure this out as we go. So, suspension. Are you ready for this?
Because it tucks in.
Do you want to do the front or the back first? I say we do front first.
You should just get the hard one out.
No, front first.
You having fun there, bud?
So much fucking fun.
Literally like 5 inches of play with the jack. How much farther do you go?
We're getting there. We're getting there.
Doesn't look like it's moving. Almost forgot to take the wheels off while it was on the ground. Good thing we caught it before we had to do it again.
Wouldn't have been the first time. Okay, what are we thinking?
I'm thinking a
15?
17.
17? Yeah.
First problem of the day, we do not have a breaker bar or 1/2-inch sockets that are this long that fit inside of these holes. So AutoZone, here we come. We have achieved unlockage.
Shut up. It's so easy.
So easy,
Like,
dude.
literally, like, why didn't we do this in the first place?
Literally so easy, bro.
So easy.
Alright, so we got a progress check here. We got the car up on the jacks and we removed the rear wheels. We're gonna start with the rear side of the car. We gotta take this guy out and we're replacing this one. But to get to here, we're gonna have to remove all of the wheel well, I think. But when time will tell. Annabelle. Hi, puppy.
Progress. Wheels off. Label, because we're not big brake. This is gonna be fun. I'm not getting copyrighted, I'm not getting copyrighted. Anyway, this angle in here. This is not great. Took out the bolt for the shock. It's loose. I'm just trying to get that, which
It's a sensor for this.
apparently it's
The
a
ride
sensor.
height.
Sensor for the ride height. Yeah, he has a Mercedes, he knows.
That's gonna be a problem later though.
Shut up. You can tune all the error codes out, right? That's how that works, right?
So in theory,
So-
we should just break this off.
Yeah, why do we even need it? You know, progress is progress. We're just getting bolts out. Undoing stuff. Labeling it, more or less. This bad boy was rusty. So that was fun.
It's gonna fling out and it's gonna smack me in the face.
Dude, you're fine. We did this with the GTI and nothing flew out. Oh, that is a heavy boy. Okay, okay. Now you know what's gonna be super fun?
Getting this out?
Now putting something more rigid back in. That was a pain. That was a fucking pain. It's been 4 hours and we got a quarter of it done. Anyway. Where's the flashlight? Let me get this. We got it in. Nice and fancy looking.
Update. We got the left side in.
Dude, this like the 12mm socket fits, but this doesn't.
Gotta tighten this guy. Got the liner in on this side. Some might call us the Mercedes gods. Or just retards.
Hey, it's on, isn't
It only took us like what, 6 hours to put the rear on.
No. 5 hours.
Yeah, no. It was just 2 hours. What are you talking about? It was just 2 hours. It was just 2 hours, okay? Anyways.
We can have this done today,
we could finish this, but at the same time, my sanity levels.
Let's just
say a ghost might come for us.
Let's just finish it. Dude, it can't be that hard in the front.
Don't ever say that. Don't ever say that.
What could possibly go wrong? 3 days later, we finally got a what's it called? An impact gun. And now we're making a bomb. Yeah, we know what we're doing. Every tool in the house we took out. Every single one of them. And we couldn't get the stock Mercedes top coil thing out. So I took it to the shop and they did it. They had the tool. So we got those on, we got that in. We're trying to get the sway bar out. We just did that. I stood on it, don't worry about it. It's fine. I'm not as heavy as the engine.
You're taking the end links out.
End links. Whatever.
Sway bar is staying in until we break it.
And then upgrades. Anyway, should be done today. Yeah? Yeah? You motherfucker. What? Why?
You need to lose some weight.
What? What the? Okay, we got one side on. We go to the other side now.
I forgot the wrench.
So it's been like just over a week now. The car's been in the garage, been working on this. I ordered spacers because the wheel didn't clear here because we put it too low. I said it was too low, so I just raised it up about 1.5 inches or so, just so the tire would clear this bit right here. Spacer. Hopefully this works. I really want to drive it. Yeah, I got the car off the jacks. Still not 100% sure if the front clears the spring. Rears look good. Overall, front's not the rear's not as low as the front. But I'm gonna back it out, see if I hear any scrubbing. So let's get it. All right, let's see how this goes. It has like that forward rake of a C55 in your car now. But fuck! Just like, and you know what feels good too? Well, we did that. Somehow. It's not done, but we did it.